fun cookies you create and decorate together.
Campbell's green bean casserole. Make some holiday.
Light Show, only on YouTube.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having an awesome Christmas Eve. This video is a little bit early. This is my gift to you. I wanted to make it around Christmas time because I'm gonna just kind of enjoy the weekend and not worry about making a video. So this is shot a little bit in advance. So I hope you are going to get all the cool car parts that you wished for tomorrow on Christmas. So from my family to yours, Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas. If you don't celebrate it, then I hope you're gonna enjoy your Friday. In this video today, we are completing the engine bay for the 2.5 NC Miata. If you haven't seen any of the videos on this thing, but make sure you go check it out. It's pretty cool. We dropped the 2.5 engine in it from a Ford Fusion, and it has been performing great. I've loved it. We're in the process of tuning it still, so that should be done soon, so hopefully we can take it to the dyno. But today, we are adding the final little piece that I've been waiting for. Throughout the span of the project, we have been adding a few things from Track Dog Racing. We got their washer bottle relocation kit, and we got their ECU relocation bracket, which frees up all this space for our radiator to push air into the engine. You'll notice right here, there's been a big hole to open, basically. Our battery is in the way of getting this half of the engine cooled more efficiently, and that is what we are going to tackle today. So right over here, we have the Track Dog Racing battery relocation kit. It comes with everything you need to relocate the battery. I'm not putting it in the trunk. I'm gonna keep it in the engine bay under the hood because we've got this tiny little battery here. This is an AGM lightweight battery. It's 11 pounds, so it cuts down a lot of weight. And I mean, honestly, it's negligible like how much weight this might add or change the dynamic of the front of the car. We're doing this more so for cooling. And since this isn't a daily driver anymore, I'm not too worried about like cold cranking amps or anything like that. So this battery will do just fine for what we're doing with the car. But it comes with all the powder coated parts that you need as expected from Track Dog Racing, pre-made wires, and it comes with a battery kill switch as well, which is super cool. So if the car is sitting for a while, we don't have to worry about draining the battery, so we can turn that guy off and have a battery that's saved for when we use the car next. So I'm super excited to get this in. This was like the last thing that I wanted to do, and I'm ready to get it done and see how it looks and see if cooling changes at all. I will say I've been tracking the coolant temperatures with the ECU relocation bracket, and quite honestly, the temperatures have been different. It has cooled more efficiently. My coolant temperatures have dropped. So what I'm gonna do is go get our stock battery out, and then we can start the install of the battery relocation kit by Track Dog Racing. Just like that, our OEM battery is out. This battery's significantly heavier than the little tiny one, and it's also kind of old. When I got the 2.5 installed, I had to get it charged, so it's probably close to on its way out, but now we don't have to worry about this anymore. You can see it's opened up quite a large gap right here, which is what we want because we're gonna be moving the battery to right here. So let's get started. All right, so I hit my first snag. So they give you 3 wires, as I showed. This one goes to the switch from the negative terminal. This one goes from the switch to the ground, and then this one goes from the ground to the ground. And there was supposed to be a longer one, and I guess I didn't get it. No big deal. I went ahead and lengthened this one just a little bit, and I had to bend this bracket out a little bit so each end can meet the points where they need to ground out. So besides doing that, we can continue on. gonna open the door. Nothing should come on. Yep, no lights on the dash. We come over here and take our key. Now it should be on. All right, lights turn on, that's a good sign. And there we go, sweet. So this install was a little bit more on the, not harder side, but the more tedious side. But as you can see, we've got a big gap for air now, both sides, and underneath coolant reservoir, it's all straight through. That fan should be blowing really nice, and air should be getting through to the engine really efficiently now. The kit they provided is really clean. The brackets are nice and powder coated and clean and everything. I am a little surprised that I got the wrong cable. I wasn't really expecting to have to do any, you know, DIY modifications to the kit itself, but I think it was just a little technical error and, you know, really not a big deal. So with that, I'm going to end this video. Again, Track Dog Racing is the company that provides these kits for their super cool kit for the NC Miata, so check them out if you want to order your own. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks so much for joining. Be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll keep you updated on how the cooling goes, if I see a drop in coolant temperatures or anything like that. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next one.